Hello and welcome to a new video of my channel Go Build Ideas. My name is Johannes and today we're building a mobile bar. Recently with my friend Johannes I made this mobile bar and we went to a beautiful place in Berlin and had a really good time. Today I want to build a mobile bar again, but this time it's going to be the countryside version. This is a really simple project which is made out of 3 pallets. I'm making a hole in the top which will later be the space for the crate of beer. I'm also drilling 2 holes into the bar so an umbrella can go in there later. Now the bar's finished, all I need now is a tractor and obviously a case of beer, and I'm going to ice this down with a bit of ice I made earlier. The main idea about this piece of furniture is that a tractor can pick this up and move it to a height which is perfect as a bar counter, and now the only thing you have to do is find a beautiful spot where you and your friends want to sit. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. I would also love to hear what you think in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel, Go Build Ideas. If you want to see what I'm building next, you can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram.